So what's your name?
My name is Patricia Starr.
And is this your first time in the new boiler room?
In the new boiler room, yes. When I first moved to town here, 1978, this was called Mama's. And everybody came here in the morning for their breakfast. And this is how you knew where to find everybody. So it's been through several changes since then.
Did you go to the previous boiler room at all?
No, I haven't been around town much. No, I moved out of town in '86. Come back to shop every once in a while.
So what do you think of the space?
I love this space. You going to put more chairs and tables?
Mm-hmm. Well.
The bathroom.
Oh, the bathroom. Have you seen the bathroom?
No.
There is some, I don't know if you saw the beautiful tile work that was back here. My friend Silas Holm did this. But another very talented, creative individual.
Oh, we have
Let's make sure there's nobody in the bathroom. There's nobody there. And I'll close the toilet.
Bathroom.
Well, this reminds me of dropping acid.
Yeah, now you've got the chalkboard and everything, and everybody can sign their names and stuff. Woohoo!
Back in the '60s.
Yeah. And yeah. And the cool Christmas tree ornaments that the Shed Boys made. I don't really know what else to talk about.